the head here, come straight around, and then end off kind of like that. Okay? Then from the tip, I'm going to draw sort of an oval shape, kind of like this for the snout, and then I'm going to curve a line underneath just like that to finish off the face. Okay? And then for the nostrils, I'm just going to draw 2 circles like that. And then let's go into the eye. So I'll draw one eye here, so the round of the eye there, and then I'll draw the other eye at the similar size there, and I'll have her looking back. So let's draw the pupils kind of looking back like that. Okay, let's draw her cheek. She's got like a very rosy cheek, and you can color this in later. And then a big smile, just like that. Okay, and let's draw in her ears. So 2 round curves like that. Okay, and now into the body. She has sort of an umbrella shaped body, so I'll start here, come down, out. So let's start around here, swing that body out here. I'll do the same with the other side, and then we'll go straight across. Okay, and then for the legs, we'll do 2 straight lines right beside each other, and then I'll draw a foot like that and color that in, just like so. And I'll do the exact same thing on the other side. Right? Okay, and with our hands, very basic. And it comes out like that. Same sort of thing there. And